In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix Tesla Bluetooth lag or connectivity issues. If your Tesla's Bluetooth isn't working, is lagging, or won't connect to your phone, here's how you can troubleshoot and reset it. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and functioning properly. Toggle Bluetooth off and on again on your device, and make sure it's not connected to another car or device that might interfere. Next, restart your Tesla. Turn the car off completely, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This simple reset often clears minor glitches in the system. After restarting, try reconnecting your phone via Bluetooth. If the issue persists, delete the Bluetooth connection from your Tesla and repair it. Go to your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Controls. Bluetooth, find your device in the list and select Forget. Then put your phone in pairing mode and reconnect it to the car. Another step is to check for software updates. Outdated firmware can cause Bluetooth issues. On your Tesla's screen, go to Software Update and install any available updates. Similarly, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. If none of these steps work, reset the infotainment system by holding both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes blank and restarts. As a last resort, contact Tesla support for further assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla troubleshooting tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy seamless Bluetooth connectivity in your Tesla.